Today, I'm going to show you how to change the font size of reports in QuickBooks Online in 2026. QuickBooks Online does not usually have a built-in button to directly change the font size inside reports. The easiest way to make report text bigger is to use your browser Zoom. First, sign into QuickBooks Online and open the correct company file. Go to the report you want to view, such as profit and loss, balance sheet, or another report. Once the report is open, click anywhere inside the report page. Now, hold Control on your keyboard and scroll up with your mouse wheel. This will zoom in and make the report text larger on your screen. You can also press Control and the plus key to zoom in. To make the text smaller again, hold Control and scroll down, or press Control and the minus key. To reset the page back to normal size, press Control and 0. This changes how the report looks on your screen, but it does not permanently change the report's actual formatting. It also may not change how the report prints or exports. If you want the report to print larger, adjust your print settings or export the report and change the formatting there. And that's how to change the font size of reports in QuickBooks Online in 2026.